This particular settings here has actually brought a lot of questions to people's mind. Okay, some time ago I dropped a particular video that said you should not turn this particular settings off, which is publish your subscriptions feed and notify subscribers. A lot of people had different motions or mindset about that particular video, saying it's best to turn it off. Some said it's best to turn it on, but I'm going to be telling you why you need to turn it off or on for your channel today. And if I'm turning mine off or on before I upload my videos, you can actually only touch it before uploading a video. When you are done uploading a video, you can no longer activate this particular setting. Okay, now the first thing to check out in this particular setting is to check if it's working for you. How do you know if it's working for you? If you are checking by checking through your click-through rate. Okay, when you check through your click-through rate, see what it's doing for you. If it's helping you, you will know. If it's not helping you, you will know. Then that brings the issue of, if it's helping you, you will leave it turned on. But if it's not helping you, please turn it off. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a quick demonstration of how it is helping, or of how it is on my channel, and you will now go and check your channel after watching this video, guys.
So guys, to turn this on, just go to Chrome and search for YouTube dashboard, as you can see on my screen. Click on this first one that says share your videos with friends, families, and the world. If you're already watching my video, you get used to this pattern by now. Okay, so this is the Chrome version, that is the desktop version of your YouTube studio. This is to check if this particular setting is working for you. All right, so when you are here, the next thing I'm going to click on is your channel analytics, this third option. Okay, click on it and see for yourself. Okay, then go down. See, look at this, see more. This is where you want to click. Okay, this is my channel analytics for the for the past 28 days. Okay, guys, how many views I've accumulated, how many watch hours, and how many subscribers. Okay, that's where you see it. Now click on this, see more. Okay, are you seeing it? This is your content, all your content you've been posting. Look at them here. Okay, now what I want to check for is this traffic source. Click on this traffic source. Okay, this is where you know whether that publish your subscriptions feed and notify subscribers is working for you. Okay, this is where you actually see it, guys. So now scroll and let's look for how well this button or this feature is working for our channel. Okay, now whenever you see browse features, just know that that one is YouTube recommendations. It means your normal home feed, what you see when you open your YouTube. So anybody you are subscribed to, you definitely see them right in your browse features as your home feed. And then whenever you see your suggested videos, it means YouTube recommendations as well, because those two things actually make up YouTube recommendation. Suggested videos means up next. Okay, that means when you are done watching somebody's video, the one that YouTube will not suggest, that is what is called suggested videos or up next. When these two features are the main source of your videos traffic, then it means YouTube is recommending your videos. And the third one is the YouTube search, as you can see. So my browse features, the views of my browse features is really high, as you can see. And my suggested video is also high. So this is the shorts feed. Okay, I have some shorts on my channel. So that's why I have short feeds. These are views coming from there too. And look at my playlist, guys. The views for my playlist, 424 views. This is why I told you to create a playlist. It's very important. So imagine I don't have a playlist. These views will not be here. Are you saying a channel pages, 331, direct or unknown, other YouTube features, notifications, external could be WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram, or wherever people were redirected from. End screens. Are you seeing end screen? 2 views. Missed video, that's from my short, hashtags and all of that. Okay, so now that we are done looking at all of these things, these are the watch time I accumulated, okay, from all of them. 70 hours, 11 hours, 46 hours from suggested videos. Are you seeing playlists? Look at playlist, 58 hours of watch time from playlist. That's a lot, guys. Okay, for a channel that is even up to 1K subscribers, that's a lot. So it's good to create your playlist. Now, while we are here, this is the reason why we are here. This impressions click-through rate. Okay, are you saying it's 2.8 is the total, that is the overall impression click-through rate? But we're going to go deeper and check for this particular thing. Now look at my browse features. That is YouTube recommendation, how YouTube shows my video in the home feed. The impression of people clicking is 5.3%. Are you seeing that how it is 5.3%? So meaning my subscribers are clicking on my video. Okay, my subscribers are clicking. Other people that are not subscribed, they're also clicking as well. So whenever you check your own and it's below 2%, it means it's not really working so much for you, and it could just really be doing the opposite. Okay, this brass feature, this is the main thing, is 5.3. Okay, so whenever you check yours and it's not actually this high, maybe it's below 2%, it means it's not working so well. Probably your subscribers are not really interested in your kind of content. So yes, this is the actual place where to check if that particular setting is working for you, which is the turn on notifications to subscriptions feed and subscribers. Are you seeing my click-through rate? 5.3%. Okay, so it means it's actually working for me. Okay, there was that video I did. I turned it off and that video did not perform well. So since then, I've left it on, and this is how well it's performing for me. So go ahead and check yours. The overall, if it's not up to 5%, maybe if it's below 1% or 3% or 2% rather, that means it's not really working so well. So you might likely be turning it off while you want to upload. Because if it's not working well, it means your subscribers are not really interested in your kind of videos. Do you understand? So that's why something like that happens. And now let me show you something. Let me show you what subscription feed is, okay? So yeah, we're back in my YouTube app right now, okay? So click on these subscriptions underneath, okay? This is people I'm subscribed to. Are you seeing their videos? This is their videos. These are people I'm subscribed to. Look at it. This is Princess Chiamaka. She just made a post. Okay, this is Faith Ozohu. That's my friend. She did live video, and see, YouTube is notifying me. So even if I missed all of the uploads, I'll just simply come online and check from here. Are you seeing it?
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to your friends. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.